Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by choosing a wallpaper image that matches your video frame. This avoids stretching. Once chosen, import it and place it on a track above the footage so you can see layering. Next, scale and position the image to cover the frame edges and crop any excess. This prevents nitpicky rescaling later. While doing this, verify color balance against the clip so the wallpaper doesn't clash with skin tones or highlights, which makes keying and blending much easier down the line. Once the wallpaper sits in place, position a mask around your subject. Feather it to soften the transition and animate mask keyframes to follow movement. Then try blend modes to integrate the wallpaper into the scene. Multiply deepens shadows, screen lifts highlights, so it looks natural. Make incremental color corrections on the wallpaper layer, match exposure and temperature to the footage. You'll also want a subtle vignette or grain to unify texture. That prevents the wallpaper from appearing pasted on. To finish, render a short test clip at final resolution and watch for seams, jitter, or visible halos. If edges flicker, tighten the mask or apply a tiny matte shrink. If halos persist, add 0.52px feather or slight blur to the edge. Once done, stabilize and recheck motion-tracked masks. Troubleshooting tip: if colors still look off, use selective HSL correction on the wallpaper or apply a subtle overall LUT to match tone. This usually fixes persistent mismatch quickly and cleanly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.